Hi everyone, this is VK. Welcome to Smid World. Here I am with another video. Welcome to Smid World. In this video, we will learn about reclaimers, need of reclaimers, and type of reclaimers. And there are basically four type of reclaimers are there: bridge reclaimer, side scraper reclaimer, portable reclaimer, rotary reclaimer. There are wide varieties of reclaimers to suit specific need, material properties, and reliability. There are two types of reclaimers in use. First one is the scraper reclaimers. In scraper reclaimers, scraper blades are attached to two parallel strands of chain at regular interval. The travel of chain along the scraper blades. Scrappers drags the material from a stockpile and discharge it on the yard bed. Bucket reclaimers. Each type has a varied design to suit application. In bucket reclaimers, scooping buckets scoop the material from stockpile. The stored material falls on the conveyor. The received conveyor truck discharging material on the yard bed. In general, if blending is required, material is scrapped or scooped from the face of pile. Whereas if blending is not required, material is scooped from the side of the pile. When the material is scrapped from the face of the pile, there will usually be a harrow or rake that brings the material to the bottom, from where it is taken by scrappers or buckets. Scrapper type reclaimer machines are lighter in weight and less in price as compared to boom type bucket wheel reclaimer. However, in scrapper type reclaimer machine, more number of components like chain links, pins, guides, and scrapper blades are subjected to material abrasion as compared to boom type bucket wheel reclaimer. In boom type bucket wheel reclaimer, only bucket edges are subjected to abrasion during the reclaiming operation, which can be easily constructed for wear resistance easily maintained. Hence, the boom type bucket wheel reclaimers are used for heavier duty and reliable operation. You can see in the picture side scraper reclaimer. The above figure shows the construction of the typical side scraper reclaimer. It is also called a pylon or cantilever scraper. This side scraper reclaimer travels on a track arranged along the one side of the stockpile. Two parallel strands of chain running on chain guides are installed on boom of the reclaimer. The scraper blades are mounted onto the two strands of the chain at regular interval. The boom is provided with a pivot which is located at the discharge end near the base of the stockpile. A winch using a wire rope and sheave system is used to lift the free end of the bottom to place it on the side of the stockpile. Two strands of chain with the scraper blades. At tail end, the chain passes around the tail sprockets, and at the head or head and discharge, end drive sprocket. The above photograph shows tail sprocket and two strands of chain running on chain guides with scraper blades mounted on them. The scraper blades reclaims the material from the side of the stockpile and conveys it to the discharge point above the outgoing conveyor through an inclined drag. Side scraper reclaimers are suitable for reclaiming strictly material. However, because the side scraper reclaims the material from the side of the pile, they are suitable for buffer storage, non-blending application only. The side scraper can reclaim a pile completely. As the machine rides on or over the stockpile, it can move to any area of the pile and start reclaiming, or can move to any of the stockpiles in cities. Side scraper reclaimers are the most economical solution for small stockyards up to 30 meters pile width. You can see in photograph the side scraper reclaimer. Side scraper reclaimers are used for open as well as covered stockyards. The above photograph shows use of the side scraper reclaimer is a covered stockyard. Side scraper reclaimers are used extensively for low capacity non-blending applications, mainly in cement plants work. Additives, correctives, and fold. Portal scraper reclaimers. A portal scraper reclaimer is named after the shape of the reclaimer body connecting the two end carriages. This structure is usually similar in shape to an inverted V or a portal frame. As portal scraper reclaimer reclaims the material from side of a pile, it is principally similar in operation to the side scraper reclaimer, but overcomes the restriction of limited boom length up to 30 meters pile width of a side scraper reclaimer, which is due to its cantilever type arrangement by having rail on both sides of the stock pile. Thus, wider pile widths can be handled by a portal scraper reclaimer. You can see here the clear picture of a portal scraper reclaimer. The portal scraper consists of portal frame with a scraper chain system. A portal scraper with two-part articulated boom has a primary and secondary scraper chain working on either side of the pile while the portal moves to and fro. The primary and secondary scraper chain systems are linked together at a knee joint. The secondary scraper chain lifts the material to the crest of the pile, feeding the primary scraper chain system. The primary scraper chain system conveys the material to the outgoing belt conveyor. portal scraper with two scrappers room. Semi-portal scraper reclaimer. For indoor operation, the best ratio between the building section and the stockpile section is, in most cases, achieved with a semi-portal scraper reclaimer. The height of the retaining wall inside the building is defined to provide full use of the available storage area. Semi-portal scraper reclaimers are the ideal solution for stockyards with limited space or stockyards divided into compartments. Above figure shows photograph of semi-portal scraper reclaimer. Bridge scraper reclaimers, where reclaiming must be carried out from face of the stockpile for blending purpose. The bridge type reclaimer is necessary. The bridge reclaimer is named after the reclaimer body connection the two end bogies carriages. This structure spans from one end bogie to other and is a bridge-like beam parallel to the ground. In a bridge scraper reclaimer, scraper chain system is mounted on the bridge type structure. Here you can see the picture. Above figure shows the construction of the typical bridge type scraper reclaimer. A traveling luffing stacker is also shown in the picture to explain the stacking and reclaiming operation. The material entering the stockyard on a belt conveyor is discharged from the boom of the stacker traveling on rails alongside the stockyard at a preset speed to make a stockpile by chevron method. The height above the rest of the pile is kept at a minimum to reduce the dust emission. Reclaiming takes place from the face of the stockpile, full cross section of the stockpile, at the natural angle of material slide. The bridge of the scraper reclaims runs on the rail on either side of the stockpile. On the bridge side is mounted a raking harrow system whose sweeping movement causes the material to slide to the pile base. The scraper chain system mounted on the bridge conveyor the material to the outgoing belt conveyor. harrow system. You can see here in picture. The above figure shows photograph bridge type scraper reclaimer as shown in the picture. A harrow is a grid frame mounted on the bridge and is positioned onto the stockpile face. It is mounted across the face of the stockpile with an oscillating or reciprocating action of the brake system. The oscillating brake system disturbs the material in a stockpile across the entire width, causing it to slide down to the slope of the stockpile into the path of the rotating scrapers. If the reclaiming is required to reclaim both directions of the stockpile, then one harrow is required for each direction. If loosened strictly and non-feeling flowing materials, it is recommended to use active live harrows. To reduce the harrow wear, it is recommended to use a full-off facing harrow, and that is the harrow that covers the total cross-section of the stockpile, because the small-sized harrows need a long stroke to cover the total cross-section, while the full-facing harrow needs short stroke, that is a short level distance. A full-facing harrow also has the distinctive benefit of ensuring perfect homogenization and a constant material flow onto the outgoing reclaiming belt conveyor. Circular homogenizing stacker and reclaiming system. The circular homogenizing stacker reclaimer system is stacking material in one ring-shaped pile. The stacker is located on the entire column, allowing rotation in both directions. Its height above the top of the pile is kept at a minimum distance to reduce the dust emission. The reclaimer bridge rotates around the center column. Like the longitudinal reclaimer bridge, reclaims take space from the face of the pile to be reclaimed by a harrow traveling on the bridge reclaimer. The sweeping movement of the harrow causes the material to slide on the slide case. Scraper conveyor equipped with chains and blades drags the material to a central hollow. In order to maximize the storage capacity, the homogenized material leaves the stored by underground conveyor. You can see here a clear picture of circular stacker and reclaimer.